I just got home from work and I need to clean my house. I have to get started on dinner soon, so I'm gonna give myself 30 minutes to take this downstairs, break these boxes up. They're my new lamps for my bedroom. This is trash. Some of this stuff in the box needs to be donated, and some things need to be recycled. I need to quickly take everything that's over there down to the basement. They're just extra things I will need to donate. The kitchen is clean. I'm going to set my knife set over to here. This is where I like to prep everything for dinner, so it's more convenient if I leave it there. In my bedroom, the dark gray curtains are the focal point with my black bed. I decided to buy white nightstands to make the room feel bigger, which matches my Pottery Barn quilt set that I've had for over 5 years. Since my house is ranch style, I wanted to bring in some modern with my lamps and the dark gray curtains. When you are picking out your bedroom that is not a set, buy nightstands that are as tall as your mattress, and the lamps should be as high as your headboard. That way it makes everything look cohesive. I wanted to share a project with you guys. I'm working on building an underground 12-foot stock tank pool. I will keep you guys updated on the progress. But I'm super excited about it, and I've always wanted a pool, but there's no way I'm going to be paying $30,000 for one.